The sound of an elliptical path. The dog gale howls out of sight, beyond windows and doors, barges in whenever opened, scatters, flattens and deafens, trapping all life within walls. A lonely horse creates crop circles in waste ground, radiating from its spiked centre of existence. Tail blown sideways, ears flat against the noise, unable to flee. On the smudged horizon, only the parallel lines reflecting a titanium moon betray the presence of each heave of water pulled by its wild will. A booming roar attends the hypnotic progress as every wave cleaves the night, an advance army for the dark ones that shadow your wake. Swollen to a final pitch, exhaling a fever of spume to self-destruct and dissipate, then recycled by those that take your place, held captive in a constant cycle. This earth, forever caught on a long leash, to spiral around the sun with the moon in its orbit tagging along, space blown, leaving a greater darkness clattering behind.